Construction of perpendicular bisector. We already know what a perpendicular bisector of a line segment is. Perpendicular means at an angle of 90 degree to the given line segment. And bisector means it should cut the object, that is line segment AB, into two equal parts. So the perpendicular bisector of a line segment is a line or line segment perpendicular to it and passing through the midpoint of that line segment. Now, let us learn how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Let us draw a line segment of the given length and name its ends as A and B. Now, let us take point A as center and radius more than half the length of line segment AB on the compass. How do we take that radius on the compass? We place the pointed end of the compass at A and adjust the other arm of the compass such that the tip of the pencil comes close to B but does not touch it. We draw an arc on both the sides of the line segment AB, that is above and below the line segment AB. Then, taking B as the center and the same radius as before of more than half AB, we draw two arcs on both sides of the line segment AB. These two arcs from B will intersect the previous arcs drawn. Let us name the points of intersections of these arcs as P and Q. Now join PQ. Extend it on both sides to form the line L. Now we can see that the line L intersects the line segment AB at a point. Let us name this point as M. Now the line L is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. This means that the line L is perpendicular to AB and it also bisects AB. That is, M is the midpoint of AB. Let us check that. We measure it using a protractor and see that the angle is 90 degree. Also, AB is equal to 9 centimeter. AM is equal to 4.5 centimeter, MB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Hence, M is the midpoint of AB. Here, to construct the two arcs, we have taken a radius of length greater than half the length of line segment AB. Why? What happens if we take a radius less than half the length of line segment AB? Let us see. We see that if the radius is less than half of the length of line segment AB, the arcs formed would be too close to the points A and B and they will not intersect each other. So, we would not be able to get a line for perpendicular bisector at all. Also, we had not taken any one particular length. We just took a random radius greater than half the length of line segment AB. What happens if we take a different radius of the arc? Let us try and find out. You will observe that the intersection of the arcs of new radius lies on this perpendicular bisector itself. If you keep trying with any other radius greater than AB by 2, that is greater than half of AB, you will find they all lie on the line L. So it does not matter what radius we take till the time it is greater than half the length of AB. Also, let us try out another thing. Let us measure the distance between P and the ends of the line segment. That is, the distance AP and BP. We see that they are equal. In fact, if you take any point on the line L, say R, and measure its distance from the end points of the line segment, that is from points A and B, you will see that the distances are exactly equal. What this means is that every point on the perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equidistant from the two ends of the line segment. This property is very useful for a few other constructions which you will see later. So, we have learned how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.